1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 10. Yeah.
There are 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in a week. Sunday, Sunday, fun in the sun, playing and laughing, everyone. That's Monday, Monday, time for school. Learning new things is super cool. Tuesday, Tuesday, ready to go. We're getting smarter, don't you know? Wednesday, Wednesday, halfway through. Clap your hands. 1, 2, woohoo! Thursday, Thursday, almost there. Let's be kind and show we care. Friday, Friday, hip hooray, it's the end of the week. Let's play. Saturday, Saturday, what a day. We rest, relax, and laugh all day. There are 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's the beat.
Hello, brilliant boys and girls. Welcome to our Learning Corner. Are you ready to play a game of shapes? Fantastic! Let's learn all about shapes together. Here we go. 1. Circle. A circle. It is round and has no corners, like the moon, a bicycle wheel, and a big, smiling sun. 2. Square. A square. It has 4 equal sides and 4 sharp corners, like a window, a building block, and a yummy piece of toast. 3. Triangle. A triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 pointy corners, like a slice of pizza, a yummy chip, and the roof of a house. 4. Rectangle. A rectangle. It has 4 sides with 2 long sides and 2 short sides, like a door, a smartphone, and a chocolate bar. 5. Oval. An oval. It looks like a circle that has been stretched, like an egg, a rugby ball, and a happy little melon. 6. Star. A star. It has many pointy arms that shine, like a starfish in the ocean, a star in the night sky, and a shiny sheriff's badge. 7. Heart. A heart. It has 2 rounded parts at the top and a point at the bottom. It is the shape of love, like a heart-shaped balloon, a pretty leaf, and a yummy cookie. 8. Diamond. A diamond. It looks like a square standing on its point, like a kite in the sky, like a diamond on a playing card, a kite, and a sparkling gem. 9. Sphere. A sphere. This is a 3D shape. It is a round ball shape, like a football, a shiny marble, and our planet Earth. 10. Cube. A cube. This is a 3D shape. It has 6 square faces, like a dice, a sugar cube, and a big present box. 11. Cone. A cone. This is a 3D shape. It has a round base and a pointy top, like an ice cream cone, a party hat, and a traffic cone. 12. Cylinder. A cylinder. This is a 3D shape. It has 2 round flat ends and a curved body, like a can of juice, a drum, and a big, tall candle. Wow! Look at all the shapes. You did an amazing job learning today. You are so smart. Now it's your turn. Can you be a shape detective and find a circle, a square, and a triangle in your house? I bet you can.
R is for red, red, red. A fire truck is red. A juicy apple too. R is for red, and I love red. How about you? O is for orange, orange, orange. Orange is around and sweet for me and you. O is for orange. It's a happy color, it's true. Y is for yellow, yellow, yellow. The shining sun is yellow. It makes the morning new. Y is for yellow, bright and cheerful for you. G is for green, green, green. A jumping frog is green on a leaf so new. G is for green in the forest, can you see? B is for blue, blue, blue. The sky is big and blue, and the ocean deep blue too. B is for blue, a calm and lovely hue. P is for purple, purple, purple. A bunch of grapes are purple, and violets fresh with dew. P is for purple, royal color for you. P is for pink, pink, pink. A pretty flamingo is pink. Who loves to wink? I think P is for pink. Don't you just love pink? B is for brown, brown, brown. A chocolate cake is brown, the best one in the town. B is for brown, a yummy color I found. B is for black, black, black. A night sky is black, with the moon a silver tack. B is for black when the sun doesn't shine back. W is for white, white, white. A fluffy cloud is white, so fluffy and so bright. W is for white, shining with all its might. G is for gray, gray, gray. A wise elephant is gray. He likes to stomp and play. G is for gray on a cloudy day. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. It's a colorful scene. Brown and black, white and gray. Let's learn our colors. Hip, hip, hooray. The world is full of colors for me and you. Bright, gentle, and repetitive melody. 1, 1, 1. Can you see? One little sun for you and me.
2, 2, 2. What can we find? 2 happy bunnies, so fluffy and kind.
3, 3, 3. Watch them fly. 3 busy bees buzzing by.
4, 4, 4. Hear them roar. 4 playful lions, let's count some more.
5, 5, 5. Now you know. 5 little fingers starting to grow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count our numbers again and again. 6, 6, 6. Look around. 6 colorful flowers on the ground.
7, 7, 7. Up so high. 7 shining stars in the night sky.
8, 8, 8. Don't be late. 8 yummy cookies on the plate.
9, 9, 9. What a sight. 9 little birds taking flight.
10, 10, 10. Let's clap our hands. 10 happy friends across the lands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count our numbers again.
elephant with a trunk so long. F is for fish, swimming in a song. G is for goat with a funny little beard. H is for hat, on our happy head it's geared. E, F, G, H, learning is so fun, singing letters one by one. I is for ice cream, a yummy cold treat. J is for jump, let's all jump to the beat. K is for kite, flying high in the blue. L is for lion, roar, says he to you. I, J, K, L, learning is so fun, singing letters one by one. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nose, right here on you and me. O is for orange, juicy and so bright. P is for pig, oink oink, with all its might. M, N, O, P, learning is so fun, singing letters one by one. Q is for queen with a sparkly crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, shining warm and high. T is for train, choo-choo, chugging by. Q, R, S, T, learning is so fun, singing letters one by one. U is for umbrella when the raindrops fall. V is for van, driving big and tall. W is for watch, telling us the time. X is for X-ray, a picture so fine you can make a Q sound for X. U, V, W, X, learning is so fun, singing letters one by one. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with stripes from head to toes. Now we sang all